This is Sold by Folds reporting to you live from Rio de Janeiro. We made it. We survived New Year's. We're gonna ride these little bikes down to the Ipanema Beach. We can find Heidi. I guess she's back there somewhere. Woo-hoo. New Year's Day bike ride down to Ipanema Beach. Just had an awesome breakfast buffet. The town seems to have survived. We survived. Oh, I think I see it up there. Ipanema Beach. I see it. Let's go. There goes Josh. We're cruising. Got bikes from the hotel. Cruising down to Ipanema Beach, which is literally like 5-minute bike ride from our hotel. Look at that. Oh, now I know why that was recommended to come here. Wow, who knew this was 3 blocks behind us for the last 3 days? So we just rode bikes from the hotel to Ipanema Beach. It's only like 3 blocks behind our hotel. Who knew that something so beautiful was right next door to something so beautiful? So we'll chill in Ipanema, get some bike riding in, get some lunch, roll tide, Happy New Year, let's go 2022. So it's lunchtime on New Year's Day. We're taking a bike ride down here to Ipanema Beach. Who knew this beach was like 2 blocks from our hotel? There's Josh up there, Heidi. We're gonna check the beach out, maybe get some lunch. People here seem really active and healthy. Everybody's out working out. They're cleaning up. If anyone's interested in a high-rise condo on the beach in Ipanema, contact Sold by Folds. Can get you one of these at a great value. And look at this view. Ipanema Beach. Roll Tide. Happy New Year. Welcome to Ipanema Beach. There goes Josh. It's a great beach right around the corner from Copacabana. Only like a 5-minute bike ride. So gorgeous. All the Brazilians are out today. Everyone's exercising. All right, this is Sold by Folds reporting to you live. Happy New Year's. It's 2022. We're riding bikes down to Ipanema Beach. Who knew that Ipanema Beach was 2 blocks from Copacabana Beach? There's not really good views to my left right now, but this place is insanely beautiful. We're gonna get an umbrella and chairs down here after riding to the base of this mountain and spend the afternoon here at Ipanema. Roll Tide. All right, Ipanema Beach. We're on a bike ride. New Year's Day. Happy New Year's. Roll Tide. Fairmont Beach, Cincinnati. Ipanema Beach, Brazil. Everybody's out working it off. We're gonna ride bikes to the base of this mountain, get a umbrella, a couple chairs, go in the Atlantic Ocean, cool off. Start thinking about some lunch. Roll Tide, baby.
This is so hard. If you don't understand how hard these are, Dad. I can't let go. There's no way I can do more than 5 of these. Yeah, I'm not.
All right, this dude's a maniac.
Dad, do you know what a muscle up is?
Beautiful Ipanema Beach. This dude. This is how Brazilians work out, Josh. This is like a Brazilian lifetime. And there's some serious in shape people here too. This one dude over there, right there with no shirt on, he was like rubbing his body up against this rock thing. Like, that guy is jujitsu. I would not mess with that dude over there. Ipanema Beach, the sun's coming out. We might get a suntan. Ipanema Beach. Come on. What's up, Josh? Sun's out, fun's out.